naghahanap ng the one. Pero paano kung dalawa sila?
Stop. So she's saying all of us are looking for the one, but what if both of them are you're the one? Kakbuta, she loves two person, okay? Two people, two boys. But listen on what happens next. Daoshe. What is choice? Viber.
Congratulations.
Ang tagal na nung pinagsamahan namin ni Paul.
Subtitle ni Go.
All these years, he's always been there for me.
Paul!
Uy! Congratulations!
Natanggap ako! Favorite ko.
Si Jay naman, bago lang sa buhay ko.
Can you stop? So, what's the name of the first guy?
Paul.
Paul. And the second?
Jay.
Jay. Okay, so there's Paul and there's Jay. Continue.
Pero priority rin niya to make me happy. Thanks for the help. And the burger.
Sure, basta ikaw. And, do you trust me?
Oo naman.
Surprise!
With Paul, iba ang naging connection namin. Kilalang kilala niya ako.
Got your favorite.
Kay Jay naman, somehow mas nakilala ko ang sarili ko. It helps me forget for a while.
I look back and recall those days I had with you.
Sometimes I need a friend just to make it through another day spent without Paul, naniniwala ka ba na sa dami ng tao dito sa mundo, may isang destined para sa'yo?
Oo naman. Actually, I'm looking at her. Han? Sa dami ng tao sa mundo, naniniwala ka ba na lahat sila may isang destined for them?
Ha? Bakit mo natanong?
Kasi ako dati, hindi. Until I met you.
Now look at the computer. That's the top or the peak part.
Han, tara!
Ang hirap. Pero I think it's time for me to make a choice.
Hey. You okay?
Jay. First of all, I wanna thank you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa akin.
Alam kong may kaagaw ako sa puso mo. I know he means a lot to you. And I understand kung hindi.
Oo. It means so much to me. But meron ka na rin lugar dito sa puso ko eh. And every day it grows bigger.
Listen, look.
Handa na ako to let go of the past. And you'll never be the same without you.
Aneurysm daw. The doctors tried everything pero he's gone. My son is gone.
That was 4 years ago. I think it's time.
You mean you're ready to love again?
Ready to love you.
You gave me all the reasons to live. Once I've learned to love again.
So she was choosing between two people. Did you understand? Okay. Stand up, Nush. What did you understand?
Hiç yapamadım.
It's enough, family. Ay, betcha. Stand up, Akbar.
Me too.
Parfunda.
I understood from the videos that we need to love the people who loves us, but actually there's a sign that if you're unfortunately that if this person is not for us, he will go away, or if he loves us, we don't know how many times we have in our life, and maybe he will have some problem in the future, and he will pass out us. But sometimes there is if we are happy, and if we have a good luck, we can find the people who can do everything for us, and in how we know all of the people have one destiny in our world.
Very good. Sabrine.
How we said the last class, we must wait for the right person, and how we know happiness isn't in money, and we must choose a person who is
And Bugo, happiness is not on the phone.
happiness is not on the phone, and we must wait for a person we must choose a person who is not saying for us lovely words, and we must choose a person who is doing right actions
Very
for
good.
us.
Next.
From this video, I understood that we need to choose a person who loves us, and we need to keep him or her forever.
Very good. Next. Start! Start! You didn't understand? She was choosing between two because one person loves her now, but she couldn't forget the one who died. So Paul, he's dead. But since it's the first love, he couldn't love this Jay fully.
Ah, maintenant, on est déjà capable de faire ça.
Okay, go ahead.
Hiç hangi yok ki?
Why?
가오고 담도. 가오고랑 샤.
We need to love a person who loves us, and we need to
And you need
and it's and destiny will come on
of course it will come at the right place, the right time, in the right group. Okay, next. Only Ponyan Akbar ni Ponyan. You didn't understand? Okay, Noshofarin, can you tell what did you understand? Huh? No. Okay, so now that's about the commercial of Jollibee, which is the choice.
Ah, now